Welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use surface offset command in AutoCAD. First of all, draw your desired surface with simple line tool, and then extrude the line. With these command a smooth surface creates. After that go to Surface tab, and click on Surface Offset command, select the surface, and then enter the offset value and hit enter. The surface offset created. Here is some other option available we need to check. Select Offset command again and then click on Surface. This time we change the direction of the offset with by selecting Flip Direction. You can also make double offset by selecting both sides in command bar. If you want to create a solid offset, so you need to select solid in command bar, so your model is 8 bars as a solid object. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question.